Meet the Parotia. A plain black bird transforms into a living ballerina. Before anything begins, the Parotia prepares its stage. Every leaf removed, every twig cleared. It maintains the same dance floor for years. This performance has been rehearsed since birth. Then the transformation. Flank feathers fan outward into a perfect oval skirt. 6 wire-like feathers on its head sway in exact rhythm. It bounces sideways like a metronome wearing a tutu. The female watches from above, judging every bounce, every wire position, every feather angle. One missed beat, she leaves. Years of practice, judged in seconds.